Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, it is Saturday morning. That means it is a new project reveal day. I like coming on the Saturday mornings and showing you the new projects that I pick up. Hopefully we could do it again next week, but let's just see how things go during the course of next week. You never know. But yeah, back to this new project. So this one is definitely 100% the newest car that I've ever fixed and put on the channel or tried to repair. So yeah, it is the newest one that I've done. It's 2019 plate, this one. So it's really sort of, yeah, getting close to being quite new. And this one's got a wet belt. And I'm going to show you exactly, what that is in a minute and what we've got to do, stuff like that. I did show you the Daco timing belt, water, the kit, which we're going to be replacing on this car, as well as the crash repair damage as well. So, yeah, let's get into it. I'll bring it in the workshop. Let's do this. Right, okay, guys, got the new project just there. Let's get into it. I'll show you what we've got. So, like I said, this is the newest car that I've ever done on the channel or repaired as a salvage car. So, let me show you what I've got. It is a Peugeot 208 Tech Edition. So this is a 69 plate, 2019 Peugeot 208. It's got some good tech actually on it, because obviously it's the Tech Edition, so you'd expect some good kit to come with the car. We're going to get into that as well, so I'll show you all around it. It is a Cat N on the front end, as you can see right there. I've already started ordering parts that I 100% know that we need. To me, I haven't stripped this down, but to me, straight away, it looks like the bumper itself is okay. All we need to do is replace the grille and anything behind it as well. So, but, we don't 100% know until, until we do the damage assessment and start stripping it down. Obviously, bonnet is bent up. That's been ordered as well. That's on its way. Yeah, we're going to need some few bits and pieces. It's all going to be stripped down. We're going to take it all apart. The whole front end's off. And then once that front end's off, we are going to be doing this, which is, I showed you yesterday. This is the timing belt kit for this, because this is the wet belt, the 1.2 petrol wet belt system. Now, there is actually an update, something that's coming out. Basically, Peugeot have stopped producing this engine with the wet belt. They've gone back onto a chain system for their engines. They're getting away from the wet belt system on these. That's what Peugeot have done. Yeah, and basically someone else, a Norwegian company, have come up with a conversion kit that you can put actually in any existing wet belt Peugeot engine, which is crazy. So you just swap over a few bits and pieces, stick a chain on there, and that's it. That resolves the problem. Don't get me wrong, these engines do have various other different issues, but yeah, it'd just be interesting to see and watch that, because that's going to be coming out hopefully soon, and people can just jump on it and rather than changing their engine, they can just change it to a chain. But let's get into this anyway, guys. We're not talking about that. Let's get into this car, because it actually does look pretty smart, this one. Nice diamond cut alloy wheels, which are a little bit different. I've not sort of seen these ones before, so they're quite new for the Peugeots. But like I said, it is the Tech Edition. So it's got, sensors for the rain and the light sensors, I think it is. Yeah, light and rain sensor. But yeah, like as we go around, it's a really nice, clean car. 1.2 petrol. You know, it is going to be very, very cheap to run and insure. And that's what sort of, you know, a lot of people are going for these days. It's like it's real cheap insurance because they're gone sky high. But I know it's got water all over it. It's been raining. It still is raining. I really need to clean it so we can get a good assessment about a rest of the car. But in first impressions really, and I'm looking around it, is that it's in really, really good condition. It just needs a good clean up. So yeah, the only damage is the front end. This has actually got when you lock it, electric folding mirrors as well on this one. Nice LEDs on the back and the front. They look pretty cool, these LED lights, don't they? So yeah, let's have a look underneath the bonnet. First of all, it locks. It wants to lock itself. I need to unlock it and then open the door. So yeah, plastic everywhere, like all down there. You can straight away see the crash bar, and the crash bar's been pushed in that way. You know, obviously we can see that. But this is a Cat N, so I'm not expecting any sort of structural damage down here to the legs at all or anything like that, both sides. We've still got water in the radiator because the water's in the tank still, but that's because where it's been pushed, it's pushed the actual water rad. That looks like it's been pushed inwards, and it's just done that, and it looks like it's straight, but there might be damage behind. You don't really know until we start getting in there, you know. So I've started looking for parts. Obviously, we're going to need a slam panel, crash bar, rad pack, and that sort of stuff. And yeah, lights look good, so they're okay. Grill definitely, but I've already found the grill and ordered that. That's on its way, which is like the chrome piece and the plastic. So that'll come as one piece like that. So we'll just whip that out, change that over. But I think that we've got away with the bonnet, the bumper itself, which is good. It's got sensors all round, back and front. So this thing actually parks itself. You know, you stick it next to a parking bay and it'll park itself into the space. So yeah. But look how much room you've got in here to work. There's just so much room in there. And then once we take that front end off, completely remove that front end, lights, bumper, you know, the crash bar, all the rad pack and all that sort of stuff, get it all off. That'll give us enough space, easy space, to do this timing belt. So we're going to change the wet belt on this. I'm also going to drop the sump. We're going to drop that down, check all that, clean up anything we need to clean up, give it a service, and then obviously just do the reverse and put it all back together once we get all the parts. But yeah, what do we think so far? It's not that bad. I honestly didn't think. I thought it was going to be worse than that, but it's not that bad. It's actually working out all right. So let's have a look inside. So you've got your normal Peugeot system here. I think they've actually updated it now on the Peugeots. The real newer ones, you've got different dials, different dashes, and different obviously bits and pieces. But this one's you're kind of like, you know, your normal Peugeot setup where you've got digital climate control. The digital climate control is quite a niche, a standard thing with Peugeots. Their touchscreen system. with Apple CarPlay and all that. That's all there. The dials, which is up above a little bit like that, so you can look above it. You don't look through, you look over. And there's the key. Let's get it started to show you. Foot on the clutch. Tyre pressures are low. Yeah, tyre pressures are low. And that's it really. You got a couple of bit, because it's been raining outside, it's a bit misty. But yeah, that one's a tyre pressure. So we've just got to work out what's going on there. The mileage, guys, look at the mileage. 38,600. So 38,600 miles is what she's done. It drives lovely. The clutch is really, really nice, because obviously it's a 2019, so you expect it to be, you know, quite good. It's the newest one I've ever got, really. But yeah, don't get me wrong. Some people like them, some people don't. Some people like the wet belt system. Some people have had these before and still have them and have never had a problem with them. It's just, you know, same old, same old. They could go wrong, but if you look after them, service them and change them, the chances of them going wrong are reduced, obviously percentage wise. But yeah, this has got sat nav. What else has it got? It's got you know, like when you put it into reverse, you've got a nice reversing camera as well. And then obviously on this side you've got this little car, so back and front you'll have sensors, and then once you get close to bits and pieces, it will sort of detect it over here, and it will show you that you're getting too close to stuff. So no books. All I've got is a locking key for the wheels, which is always good, but it'd be nice to get some sort of service history. I'm going to check, because it's you know, quite newish and it's got low mileage. I am going to check with the let's turn that down. I'm going to check with the main dealer to see if we've got any service history. It's worth a shout. It's worth, you know, getting in contact with them to find out. Marshalls again. So it'd be Marshalls, and then there'd be a postcode. There you go, there's the postcode. So it's worth giving them a shout and another check to see what if you've got any service history with it. It's actually ticking over quite nicely. Quite normal for those sort of ticky 1.2 petrol engines. But yeah, you know, apart from it needs a good clean up and stuff like that, just needs the normal stuff really. Nice 5 doors, so, you know, quite good for the families. That's just part of the seat that needs tucking back down there, tidying up. Yeah, parcel shelf needs a good clean. New spare wheel with the tools as well, which is good. Some don't come with spare wheels anymore, do they? They come with those inflatable things. So got a nice spare wheel in there. And yeah, you know, yes, it is a Peugeot 208, and it's, you know, it's not for everyone really, but I think it just looks, you know, it looks nice. It's a nice colour in the black. It looks a bit sporty as well with these wheels. They look pretty cool. All the chrome around it. I'll have to look into it exactly what the tech edition you actually get. But it must be some sort of, I don't know if it's a limited edition, but it's a, I don't want to call it a special edition, because it's not, there's only nothing special about a Peugeot 208, but I'm just saying that the actual I think it's the trim level in it. So it's, you know, it's up there with, I don't know if it's top. I don't think it is. I think Allure is the top spec for these Peugeots. So, but it's definitely got enough equipment with the sensors back and front, reversing camera. This one's got cruise control, auto lights, auto windscreen, auto window wipers. Yeah. Oh, it's got this parking button here, so you can park. You press that, and it parks itself. That's what I was talking to you about. Electric windows all around. It's not leather. It is a cloth. But they're in very, very clean condition. So we ain't got to do much to those seats, really. The carpet we've got to clean up. Don't look like it's had a hoover out since it's from new, really. But, you know, we'll get into it. But, yeah, there we go. That is the new project, guys. What do we think about this one? And we're going to get straight into this one. On Monday, it's going over there on the ramp, because the ramp's okay now. We're going to strip it all down, and we're basically going to jump straight into it from Monday. And we're going to see, do a damage assessment on the front end, and then just see how far we can get on each day with this car, because it doesn't actually need a lot, really. A few parts we need to replace, and we'll find out behind, you know, all that, to see what actually we need to. That's why I haven't gone ahead and ordered all the other bits and pieces, because I'm not, you know, 100% sure exactly what we're going to need to do this. But yeah, we will find out in Monday's video. I'll do a list. Like I said to you, I've already ordered the grille because I know it's all smashed up. We know we want that. I did originally look at a whole bumper. Some people want like £300-400 for the whole bumper. But I think our bumper's okay. I can't see any damage to this bumper. It's just that grille that's been damaged. Even the bottom end is fine. There's no damage to it at all. None of these have been damaged. It's just that centerpiece. So, but yeah, what do we think, guys? Let me know. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think, and we'll get into this on Monday. So yeah, that's it. Just a quick video, a quick walk around. I've showed you the car, and we're going to get straight into it on Monday. So have a great weekend, and I'll see you then. Take care. Thanks for watching. See you soon.